Welcome to the analysis world. In this video, I will show you how to install the Data Analysis ToolPack Add-in in Excel. So the Data Analysis ToolPack Add-in is usually seen in the Data tab at the far right side here. As you can see, I don't have the Analysis ToolPack right now, so I need to install it. So in order to install it, first go to the File tab and select Options. From Options, select Add-ins, and at the bottom from Manage drop-down list, select Excel Add-ins and click on Go button. This will pop up a window with different add-ins, and from here select the Analysis ToolPack and click OK. This will instantly install the Analysis ToolPack add-in in your Excel, and if we look at it now in the Data tab, we can see that our Data Analysis ToolPack is installed to be used. So this is how you can install the Data Analysis ToolPack in Excel. I hope this is useful to you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for another useful video. Thank you.